Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Mani Twitter painted and I'm going to do some stamping. I've started off with IMK Peel Ease as my base coat. And this is Moonshine Mani Twitter painted. This was a Facebook exclusive polish that when I saw it I had to have it. There's the inspiration photo for the polish itself. I think Phoebe nailed it. This is one of the polishes that when you go to her site, it's going to be listed for like $112. And that's going to change if you go to her Facebook group and get the code. You know, become a member or a fan or whatever and you get a code. I was down with that because I wanted this polish really bad. So pretty. And that is the first coat. Trying to get that tip even. There we go. And then we're going to go in with our second coat. Now you guys know I have a weakness for pink polish in general, but a neon pink with some goodies all up in it, just totally obsessed. I love this. I just thought this was just yummy. Trying to get up close to that sidewall there. Ugh, business. So there we go with two coats. I'm going to top it with some of the Moonshine Mani's Let's Go Quick Dry Top Coat. And we're going to seal this in, get it to dry down so we can do some stamping. I'm going to cap that free edge there. And I am loving the Moonshine Mani's top coat. Hi Woody, how you doing? Cleaning up after me again, I see. Yes, indeed. So, back to this top coat. Well, first I've got a swatch photo. And then I'm going to talk about the stamping. We're going to be using BM-614 today, as well as Braves Diva, Game Over, and Shutout for stamping. I've got my monocle stamper and a clear jelly scraper card out today. And I'm just going to do these little birds. Twitter painted kind of inspired me. I'm going to do them in white first and then go over them with black. So that's what we're doing with that. So back to this Moonshine Mani's top coat that I got on discount. I'm really loving it. It doesn't dry as fast as that Pro FX that I love so much. But as far as a quick dry top coat, it's a really nice one. I do love that it's not so thick. It's not too thick. You know, like Seche Vite or Poshe. To me, those are really, really thick. Fast and Hard Vibrant Vinyls. It's a really thick one. You can see I'm cleaning up the little piece of tape here. I don't show that for every nail, but I just like to show it for those of you that have never really done that or seen my videos. So there we go. I'm just keep plinking along. And I really did love this manicure. I wore it for a while. Because it was just bright and happy, and I was all into some bright and happy. Did pretty good lining up those. Now I'm going to totally mess this up on my ring nail because I turned my hand around thinking I would be able to see it better. Yeah, I'm not going to do so good on the black lining up here. But it's okay. Like I said, I still wore it for several days, so it's all good. It's all good in this hood. In the nail neighborhood. So here we go to the final one, the pinky. We're just going to do the same thing we've been doing. But I really did enjoy this one, and I hope that you enjoyed it also. So we are going to top it with the Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat. And once that is completely dry, we're going to add our next glossy top coat, which is again Moonshine Mani's Let's Go. I do have a swatch photo coming up here very soon. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about my manicure. Always love hearing from you. And that is it for me today. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.